Okay, keep, change, flip. Keep the 7/20, change division to multiplication, flip the 5/6 to its reciprocal of 6/5. Okay, look for any reducing or cross canceling. 6 and 20 both have a common factor of 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So we can change that to a 3 and that to a 10 to make this easier. Now we're just multiplying straight across. Okay, 7 times 3 gets us 21. 10 times 5 is 50. 7/20 divided by 5/6 is 21/50, 21 over 50. 8/33 divided by -8/9. So keep, change, flip. So we'll keep 8/33, change division to multiplication, and then multiply by its reciprocal, which is -9/8. Now, we're going to look for any cross canceling. So any common factors with the numerator and denominator, right? Numerator and denominator, numerator and denominator. So 8 and 8 both have a common factor of 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1, so we can change that to a 1. And we can change this also to a 1, because 8 divided by 8 is 1. Now 9 and 33, they have a common factor of 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 33 divided by 3 is 11. So now multiply straight across. Okay, you got 1 times 3 is 3. 11 times 1, 11 times 1 is 11. And don't forget that this is a negative, because a positive times a negative is a negative. So we get a -3/11. Okay, we have 8 and 9/20 divided by 1 and 7/40. So the first thing you want to do is you want to change these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So 20 times 8 is 160, plus 9, 169. And then you keep the denominator the same, over 20. We'll keep the division symbol for right now. 40 times 1 is 40, plus 7 is 47. Keep the denominator stays 40. Now we'll do keep, change, flip. So we'll keep the 169 over 20, change the division to multiplication, and we'll flip the 47/40 to 40 over 47. And now we look for any cross canceling. So here we go. The 20 and the 40 have a common factor of 20. Okay, and we can change this 20 to a 1, because 20 divided by 20 is 1. 40 divided by 20 is 2. And then we can multiply straight across. Okay, 169 times 2 is less. So 169 times 2 is 338. And that's going to be over 47. Change this from an improper fraction to a mixed number at this point. And so 338 over 47. I work here, I'm going to do 47 times 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 4 is 32. So 7 of them. So 338 47s is going to be equal to, with 47 is going to be the denominator, and with 9 left over. So 7 and 9 47ths. Now right away, 2 is the same as 2 over 1. So let's change this to 16 25ths divided by 2 over 1. Then we're going to do keep, change, flip. Keep the 16 25ths. Change division to multiplication, and flip 2 over 1 to 1 over 2. Now look for any cross canceling. Well, 16 and 2 are both even numbers, so we know 2 hops into both of them, or they're divisible by 2. 2 hops into 2 1 time. 2 hops into 16 8 times. Then multiply straight across. So 8 times 1 is 8. 25 times 1 is 25. 16 25ths divided by 2 is 8 25ths.